in an apartment complex pool in Phoenix, Arizona. Getting ready to do a structural repair on it before we do a complete remodel. You can see the cracks here in the wall. So, just getting ready to start. Okay, we got this structural prepped. We started in, we cut to set all our carbon fiber, and then the surface, you may be able to see it, but the surface isn't bonded very well to the wall. So I was concerned about the material flowing out between the two layers, so we just went ahead and stripped it off so we could get a good mechanical bond with the epoxy going onto the face of the area that we're prepping. So this is the next. Okay, we got some of the drill ports set, and then we'll go ahead and set surface ports when we're starting to face it out. But it's pretty much prepped, ready to go with the facing at this point. We preheated the wall a little bit. It's winter time. It's not horribly cold, but it doesn't hurt to try to get a little heat into the concrete. I'm not getting it overly hot. I'm just trying to speed it up the process a little bit. Finishing up, facing this out. Okay, we got it finished up and got the high pressure epoxy installed and seemed to take material pretty well. It's ready to go ahead and chip out the pool and get the new tile installed and get ready for the new interior.